FM podcast.
My name is Lenson, working with Legal Resources Foundation. Today we want to explore the whole question of the Constitution. Now, as many of us may know, Kenya at independence got its constitution. The historical background was through the Lancaster House, where several eminent persons then were called in to develop the constitution toward the independence of Kenya. But down the line, there was a feeling that did not speak to the aspirations of the people, and largely so, ensuring that it protects the rights of Kenyans. And the clamor for new constitution came in. Fast track 2010, we got a constitution, which we dubbed the Constitution of Kenya 2010. Now, this is a very progressive constitution for Kenyan people. One of the key things, it provided a whole chapter that spoke to the rights of Kenyans or any person who is living within Kenya and how to seek redress where rights have been violated. Now, we see the Constitution being one that has the spirit of protecting individuals and that which has what I can call elasticity. What do I mean by that? It means that that constitution can be tested in various ways in terms of interpretation. And that's why we saw after the 2010 constitution, there are numerous matters in court in terms of public interest, which were dubbed constitutional in nature, trying to interpret the constitution. And this has seen progressive realization of people's rights. Stretch it from matters of criminal law, stretch it to the matters of land rights, environmental justice, gender justice, natural resource justice, economic justice, social justice. All that has been tested. And yes, it has come to prove that it protects the aspirations of the people that did not exist in the previous constitution. Fast forward again, in terms of the Constitution of Kenya, it is a supreme law of the land. What does that mean to us? It means that any law that has to be developed in any of the different spheres of criminal law, civil justice, commercial justice, tax justice, copyright justice, has to be in tandem or has to be in line with the Constitution. It must not be regressive in nature. It must be progressive in nature. It must not be repugnant, but it is that which is humane and realizes people's rights. That's why if you look at the preamble of the Constitution, you'll find a place where it talks about Kenyans having the responsibility to promote and protect the Constitution by however means to ensure that we stay as one country that has unity of purpose, but also unity of law, unity of equity, and also ensuring that we live or coexist with each other properly. That is the Constitution of Kenya. In further programs, we'll be speaking further to how it operates, how the structures are. We will also speak to how we can move amendments, because there has been debates on how to change part of the Constitution. And that is a whole process that citizens of this country must listen to. Thank you.
Stay tuned to learn more on our next podcast.